Hi everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Ellanianti from Class Management 2018B. This lecture is about Total Quality Management, or the acronym is TQM. TQM is involved with all aspects of a business including manufacturing, administrative, and safety, for example. What is TQM? TQM is extensive, unstructured organization management approach that focuses on continuous quality improvement of products and services by using continuous feedback. The founder of TQM was Joseph Jordan. There are 4 elements of TQM. The first element of TQM is customer focus. In this customer focus case, quality is always measured by the eyes of the customer and by the degree which the customer is satisfied with the product. The second key of element is continuous improvement. This means that the company never settles for good enough or the level of quality that they have achieved so far. The process will involve searching for the way to do things right the first time. This case is similar. In that process is always searching to understand the root cause of quality issues and to prevent defect on production process. The third element of TQM is management by data. These statistics are used to understand the variation in a process. Decisions regarding quality should be made using these objective data and facts rather than subjective reasoning. The fourth element of TQM is employee engagement. The last key element of TQM is employee engagement. More likely to produce quality product. Employees that are empowered by management to seek out problems and help to identify solutions. When you implement total quality management, you implement a concept. It is not a system that can be implemented, but a line of reasoning that must be incorporated into the organization and its culture. Practice has proved that there are a number of basic assumptions that contribute to a successful rollout of total quality management within an organization. This basic assumption is 1. Train senior management on total quality management principles and ask for their commitment with respect of its rollout. 2. Assess the current culture, customer satisfaction, and the quality system. 3. Senior management determines the desired core values and principles and communicates these within an organization. 4. Develop a basic total quality management plan using the basic starting principle mentioned above. 5. Identify and prioritize customer needs in the market and determine the organization products and services to meet those needs. 6. Determine the critical process that can make a substantial contribution to the products and service. 7. Create teams that can work on process improvement, for example, quality cycles. 8. Managers support this team using planning, resource, and by providing time training. 9. Management integrates the desired change for improvement in daily process. After the implementation of improvement process, standardization takes place. 10. Evaluate progress continuously and adjust the planning or other issues if necessary. 11. Stimulate employee involvement. 12. Awareness and feedback lead to an overall improvement of the entire process. Support this, for example, by means of a reward models. Yeah. So that's all. The lecture of the top quality management. Thank you and goodbye.